Hello and welcome back to the VW channel. Today's update is on the 1971 Deluxe we're doing a full restoration on. As you can see at the rear end, we've been busy. I've got the gearbox back from VW Transmissions. That's been reconditioned. Starter motor's been done by a local guy. Drive shafts I've had powder coated and I've put new top quality joints on. Brand new genuine VW back plates, had all them powder coated, new handbrake cables, etc. The back end's really starting to come together. It's nearly ready for the fuel tank, and then my brother Luke next door at Gary Ranger Racing will be going through and building an engine for it. Up front we've obviously got all the pedals in now, clutch cable, new clutch cable, conduit, etc. in there, steering drag link on as well. I haven't done the tie rods yet. Till I get the height set and we get the alloys and the correct tyres, then I can set the adjustment, make sure that's correct, and then I'll do the tie rods, etc. and the tracking. There's no servo and or nothing yet. I've put all new brake pipes in, etc. I don't want to do the servo and the brakes until it's running, and then I'll do the brakes, etc. on the last week. And obviously the linkage, leave the front part of the linkage out until I set the height as well, because it gets in the way of the adjuster. Now onto the inside, I've got the dash top in and all the vents, the pipes. I fitted the electric washer bottle kit. I'm just waiting on one of the chrome washer jets, because this year we've obviously, with everything what's going on in the world, we've had real struggle to get parts. You'll get one or two, or sometimes you wait for months just for one little bit. It's a bit of a pain, but it is what it is. But as you can see, the dashboard is looking really, really nice. Once it's got the kick panels and then a little bit more tidying up, it should look spot on. And obviously the glove box lid and tray in there. And I've got a blanking for the stereo hole. I've got a proper blanking plate to go in there. So it should look spot on. Thanks for watching this short update. Hopefully next time we'll have some more to report, maybe have the engine in, bumpers on, etc. But as you can see, it's really, really close. Not far off from being on the road. And yeah, thanks for watching.